Okay, we're on a 90-degree right here. This is where it is so far. It's reached 90 degree. The water always goes a bit higher when it's on 90 degree. Not done cool down just yet. Don't think I've used this one before. But obviously I've pressed extra rinse because it does take a while to cool. Because I think it only does 2 rinses on this, and I want it to do 3, so Jum's got more water for it to cool down then. I don't want it steaming when I open the door. It looks like that colour catcher's decided to go back in the drum. It's been there for ages. A very really easy 90-degree wash. I think it's just reached about 90 degree. You usually hear it when it's heating up, but I can't hear it. I think it's reached its max now.